Want to play FC26 only with friends on your platform or open it up to all players across devices? Whether you are looking to disable or enable crossplay, this quick guide has you covered. Let's make sure your matchmaking works exactly how you want it. Hey everyone, welcome back to Silicophilic, your trusted source for tech tips and gaming fixes. Today we are diving into crossplay settings in EA Sports FC26, how to turn it on, off and why it matters. Stick around for a fast walkthrough that puts you in control of your multiplayer experience. Method: enable or disable crossplay in FC26. Crossplay allows players across different platforms to play together. Whether you are looking to reconnect with friends on other consoles or prefer platform-specific matchmaking, here is how to toggle the crossplay setting in FC26. Launch FC26 and wait for the main menu to load. Navigate to the Settings tab, usually found in the top or side menu. Inside the Settings menu, scroll to select Online Settings. This section manages your connectivity and matchmaking preferences. Within Online Settings, locate and click on Matchmaking Options. This is where the crossplay toggle resides. Finding the crossplay settings, it should say Enabled by default. To turn it off, select No. Confirm by clicking Apply Changes. When prompted, select Yes. Then OK to finalize. If you want to re-enable crossplay later, return to Matchmaking Options. Set crossplay to Yes. Again, click Apply Changes, confirm with Yes and then OK. Disabling crossplay may limit your matchmaking pool but can improve platform-specific performance or reduce latency. Enabling it allows for broader matchmaking and playing with friends across platforms. And that's it. Your crossplay settings are now dialed in. If this helped, give us a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more quick tech fixes and gaming guides. Got questions or want to share your setup? Drop a comment. We love hearing from you. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next one.